formation of Laurel Home School was completed in 1996. It is totally an English medium educational institution where education is imparted devotedly and dedicatedly along with the character building of the students. There are segregated campuses for both the sexes. Students are adorned and enriched in a totally and complete religious environment under the strict guidance of trained mentors. The main purpose of starting this training institution was the character building of the students, because in other institutions, the students gradually become morally degraded. But in Laurel Home School, special consideration is given to the morality of the students. To endorse and induce the morals of the students is a pivotal and prior role of this alma mater. Keeping in view the above-mentioned qualities, the students are modeled and shaped in a special religious frame. Moreover, the facilities of computer and a science lab are available. Hafiz Al-Quran College was introduced in 1996, where separated Hifz classes of girls and boys are mastered under the supervision of trained teachers, where the strict rules and regulations of the recitations of the Holy Quran is followed. Students and teachers work in close association for the formation of better society. The school provides an atmosphere where parents and their siblings are automatically inclined towards Hifz al-Quran. In subsequent 3 educational years, the completion of Quran is done along with 3 school classes. The introduction of Islamia Degree College in 1996 facilitates the girls with Ulum Sharia, parallel with FBA and MA classes. Special attention is paid to a translation and precise material of the Holy Quran. Hundreds of girls have completed their education from this nominated and established institution, Islamia Degree College. Many of them, after the completion of their education, have settled their own educational institutions in the suburbs of Gujarat, and not only in Pakistan, but even from Japan, America, and to Canada. They have influentially inspired towns with their religious awareness. This institution provides the facility of a protected boarding house for both girls and boys. Jamia Islamia Quran Complex has been launched in 2016, where matriculated male students can avail the facility of Dars-e Nizami, parallel with FA and BA LLB classes. Education, accommodation, and food, along with other facilities, are provided free of charge to every student. Presently, there is no accommodational facility for further students in Jamia Islamia Quran Complex buildings. Additionally, the area for sports ground and law college is also required. Keeping in view the required demand, 3 acres of land has been purchased, which comprises a mosque, a Jamia, Gosha Darud, an essential area for the Isali Sawab for the parents. Building will be constructed. The completion of this project requires £600,000. We plead with you to donate in this grand task of charity. Thank you.